First of all, what is mentoring and why is it important? A broad definition of mentoring is when a more experienced person guides a less experienced person in whatever field they may be pursuing. So when you think of finding a mentor for your robotics team, you may be thinking of a person in the workforce working in engineering. But there are so many other aspects to robotics. According to FIRST, mentors can be of any age, so this encompasses people in the workforce as well as college students, retired people, anyone who provides opportunities for students to learn through experiences. Furthermore, they don't only have to be involved in the technical engineering aspects of robotics, they can also provide insight in other areas. For instance, here are some types of mentors. On the non-technical side, we have the project management mentor, who provides an overview on project management concepts for the team. There's also the scholarship mentor, who assists with educating students, mentors, and parents about scholarship opportunities available to FIRST students. They also coordinate applications for award nominations. The marketing mentor helps students develop and implement a marketing plan. And the finance mentor, they assist the team with financial planning and budgeting for the season. And they also organize and assist with fundraising efforts. Now, on the technical side, we've got the robot programming or software engineering mentor, who assists team members with writing code to control the robot. And the electrical engineer mentor, who assists the team with wiring the robot's power and signal system. The mechanical engineer mentor helps with the design and construction of the robot and also advises students on the safe use of tools and safety procedures. Now that we know what mentors do, what makes a mentor fantastic, and where do you find them? FIRST has a large support network that you can get help from. Contact your regional director or FIRST senior mentor and they can guide you from there. They are an experienced member of the community and know the ins and outs of getting involved in your region. They focus on creating and maintaining self-sustaining FIRST programs within their local communities and host outreach events to attract new volunteers, mentors, and coaches. This is a great place to start since they are truly the experts. In certain areas, the FIRST AmeriCorps Vista is also an available resource. This program aims to help provide access to FIRST STEM programs in low-income, low-resource communities. There are also friend-to-mentor programs where you can reach out to mentors from other teams. You can then host classes or support meetings to help out with whatever your team may be struggling with. Now, what makes a mentor effective? What guidelines should they follow? There's an entire mentoring guide on the FRC website, but I'll give the condensed version here. Being involved in FIRST, you've probably heard the term gracious professionalism a million times by now, but it's not only the governing idea of FIRST, but it's also an important aspect of mentoring. The basic idea of gracious professionalism is that even though we may compete like crazy, we still respect and support each other and other teams in the process. Nobody leaves feeling like a loser and everyone is valued. It's an essential concept that should be taught and expressed while mentoring. Second, don't teach, facilitate. You may be thinking, what's the difference? Teaching is when someone delivers knowledge to you. So imagine a teacher giving a long lecture. But facilitating is when a whole group of people works together to come to a conclusion. Everyone has a voice and the facilitator just guides the dialogue in the right direction. This is what mentors should do. Give students the chance to have independent thoughts and ideas. Facilitation also opens up communication within the team and creates a foundation of trust and respect. Remember, in order for this to happen, keep an open mind and resist the urge to judge any ideas. All ideas should be treated equally. Lastly, gradually shift roles. When introducing a new concept, first perform the task while the student watches, so they can get familiar with it. Then they can start helping as well. Once they're prepared and comfortable, they can perform the task while the mentor helps from time to time. Finally, the last shift in roles is when the student does the task on their own, and the mentor just watches over. Remember, before shifting any responsibilities, watch for cues and ask to make sure the student understands the material and is ready for the shift. Ask open-ended questions to let them think the problem out for themselves, and provide constructive feedback to guide them in the right direction. Thanks for listening, and I hope this video helps you learn a little more about the roles and guidelines of effective mentoring, as well as where to find mentors.